Hello everyone, let's dive into the MUSETEX Y6 ATX PC case. If you're hunting for a case that blends aesthetics with functionality, this might just be it. The white finish immediately sets it apart, offering a clean, modern look that breaks away from the typical black box. The first thing that grabs your attention is the dual 270 degrees tempered glass panels. This provides a panoramic view of your components, perfect for showcasing high-end hardware and any decorative elements you want to display inside. The glass is high quality, offering both durability and sound insulation, which is a nice bonus. Inside, the Y6 offers a well-thought-out layout. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of components, including support for GPUs up to 400mm and CPU coolers up to 176mm in height. Liquid cooling enthusiasts will appreciate the support for up to a 360mm radiator on top. The case also adapts to the new back plug motherboards. Cable management is made easier with the dual-chamber design, which helps to isolate the power supply and improve overall airflow. Speaking of airflow, the case comes pre-installed with three 120mm fans, and the power supply has its own independent ventilation channel. Magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom are a nice touch, keeping the interior clean and dust-free. The front panel I/O is well-equipped, featuring a USB 3.2 Type-C port, along with a standard USB 3.0 port. This provides plenty of connectivity for modern devices, ensuring fast data transfer speeds and ample power delivery. The tool-free design of the side panels is a welcome addition, making installation and maintenance a breeze. The snap-on design allows for quick removal, saving time and effort during the building process. The MUSETEX Y6 manages to strike a balance between form and function. Its clean design, coupled with its spacious interior and thoughtful features, makes it a strong contender in the mid-tower ATX case market. If you're looking to build a visually stunning and high-performing PC, the Y6 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.